Hi Sonali, I am super excited about today's conversation because I want to know where is your postpartum weight.
Hi.
Your child is also 2 and mine is also 2. Where is your weight?
सो बहुत सारा वेट था बट वो धीरे धीरे करके कम कर लिया है. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि वेट था नहीं बट वेट थोड़ा मैनेज कर लिया है.
Okay.
सो व्हेन आई कंसीव्ड आई वाज 57 यू नो एंड इनिशियली आई लॉस्ट वेट बिकॉज आई हैड सो मच ऑफ नॉशिया. सो
Nausea.
1-1.5 किलो मेरा कम हो गया. सो आई वेंट अबाउट 55.5 एंड देन मी एंड माई हस्बैंड वर लाइक वेरी वरीड कि यार वेट बढ़ना चाहिए और वेट कम हो रहा है.
Right.
But gradually I started gaining weight. But you know, that was a time when, you know, I realized कि यार this is not the time to rest. This is the time to take it as a challenge and take it as a marathon. So in my mind, there were days, Garma, you know, when I would actually not miss my workout. Like I would just work out every day and my husband would say, आज तो rest कर ले. And you know, in my mind,
In your during your pregnancy?
during my pregnancy,
Pregnancy में हमने सिर्फ खाया और सोया है.
yeah, so that's the thing, you know, most of the mothers or to be mothers actually think कि ये तो मेरा टाइम है. दे अलाउ themselves. पूरी जिंदगी ना हम यो डाइटिंग में रहते हैं. We try to control ourselves in all ages. As
Yeah.
women, we see so
Right.
much of, you know, this diet culture कि हम चाहें या ना चाहें हमें कोई ना कोई eating disorder mentally होता है. So you know, when you actually get pregnant, that is the time when, you know, you give yourself that liberty कि यार अब तो मैं खाऊंगी. And that's when you start doing revenge eating.
Yes.
कि यार अब तो मेरा टाइम है, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. That's where, you know, the whole problem comes into picture. So I obviously, you know, because of the profession and because of all the, you know, I mean things I've been doing in the past, I mean sailed through my pregnancy. So I gained say about 11 or 12 kgs throughout the pregnancy. But जब डिलीवरी हो गई उसके लिए तो मैंने अपने आप को प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था. The late nights, the sort of depression,
Yeah.
the crazy breastfeeding hours, it would just go on and on, you know.
Right.
And breastfeeding takes everything from you.
I
So, you
agree.
know, I was so hungry for like a person like, you know, I was eating double the quantity. And that is, you know, when it hit me कि okay, अब कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, you know. So when I gained 12 kgs, then I lost 6 kgs and then I gained another 4-5 kgs in the process. But लेकिन I didn't push myself. एक साल तक I told myself it's okay, your body needs time to heal. So I allowed that. Of course it was not mad eating, but it was like healthy घर का ही खाना but बहुत सारा खाना. So even
Right.
that led to weight gain. Then methi ke laddu, then you know, I mean all of those nuts and ghee, you know, I mean my mom, my mother-in-law, my dadi, everybody was like ye karo. And you know, as a nutritionist, I might not do it, but they were after my life that, you know, my mother-in-law would come at 5 a.m. in the morning and sit next to me when I'm breastfeeding and she would ask, you know, the helper to get the chai and the laddu and the toast, you know, ki khao. You know, because we know you and you need it, and right now if you don't do it then it's going to be very difficult later on.
Yeah.
So you know, ek saal I didn't do much and I just focused on my healing. After 6 or 7 months I had a cesarean. So after that, after I delivered, 6 months down the line I started healing my diastasis rectus, जो gap आपके abs में आ जाता है
Yes.
basically because, you know, you harbor a baby, तो वो separate होती है muscles, so you have to bring them back. 3 महीने मैंने सिर्फ ये किया. By the end of, like, you know, when 1 year almost passed by, that's when I decided कि अब first birthday पे I was like a little healthier. So I decided बस अब नहीं. That's when I hired a personal trainer and that's when I get to it. And अभी भी I still feel that I'm still not to my pre-pregnancy, you know, I mean thing. And just like all women, yo-yo dieting is on.